Alright, we're at Parking Terrace E at Tyson's Corner Center. And here is the infamous EcoDisc. You could almost hear the brake. It looks like it was previously labeled as elevator 16. It's been relabeled to 31. Famous Kone Delta. Here's the beautiful brake. Here we go. This thing is famous for its insanely loud brake. Get ready, here it comes. That's what I'm saying. That's the brake. This thing is famous for that. Elevator number 31. Very, very neglected. As security cameras exposed. See if we can hear it from down here. This thing's so bad. Had it open? That's not. Here we go. It's so funny. Let's see if you can get a look at it. Can't see it. Can't really see the EcoDisc there. Okay. Let's go to 5, and we'll go to the other one, which doesn't have as loud of a brake. Okay, here it comes. 3, 2, 1. I love this thing. Alright, we're gonna switch. There's the Gen 2 over there.